Hey y'all, it's me again. We are going to do a small review on counting coins, and what we're first going to do is we're first going to watch a video on BrainPop about ways to count coins as a refresher. Then we're going to count some coins in front of you, and then I have a challenge for you. Also, at the end of the video, you get to see your caterpillars and catch up with them. Alright, enjoy your BrainPop video.
You found something? What is it? Cool, a penny. What are some different coins? A penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A dollar bill is worth 100 cents, or $1. How much money have you saved, Moby? We better count. How can you skip count to count coins? When you have a group of the same coins, you can skip count to find the total. Each nickel is worth 5 cents, so you can skip count by fives. There are 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. You're right, Moby. Quarters can get tricky to skip count, but there are only 4 skips to get to $1. 25, 50, 75, 100 cents, or $1. Sometimes I have a combination of different coins. How can you count on to get the total? When you have a small group of different coins, you can count on to add them. Let's see. The nickel is worth the most, so we should start with that. So we start at 5 cents. Then we count on 3 pennies. There are 6, 7, 8 cents. Okay, we should start with a quarter, so that's 25 cents. Then we can count on 2 dimes. There are 35, 45 cents. Now there are a lot of coins, so we should use a different way to count. How can you sort coins to find the total? When you have a lot of different coins, you can sort them into like groups and then count. Then you skip count to find the total. Let's see. The dime is worth the most, 10, 20. Then we count on 2 nickels, 25, 30. Now we count on 2 pennies, 31, 32. There are 32 cents total. Cool, more coins. First, sort the coins. We start with 25 cents. Then we count the dimes. 35, 45. Then we count the nickels. 50, 55. Then we add on 3 pennies. 56, 57, 58 cents. Sometimes, when you have a lot of coins, you can group them in different ways to help you count. How can you group coins to help you count? You can combine different coins to make numbers that are easier to add. Let's see. I can start with 25 cents, but I can add a nickel to make 30 cents. 30 is an easy number to work with because it ends in 0. Then I can add the dime to get to 40 cents. Now I just count on the pennies to find the total. 41, 42 cents. Right, Moby. You can combine a few coins to make an easy number to work with before you add other coins. I can skip count the nickels first. 5, 10, 15 cents. Now it's easy to add on the dime to get 25 cents. Then I can add the quarter, 50 cents. Hey, wait a minute. I've got some coins in my pocket. I've got 3 pennies, which is the same as 3 cents. Let's add them together. 50 cents plus 3 cents is equal to 53 cents. So, how much money do you have saved up? It's a secret? Anyway, Moby, finding a penny's good luck. You know what they say. Find a penny, pick it up, all the day you'll have good luck. Maybe not.
Okay guys, now that we just watched the Brain Pop video, I have some coins here. And what we're going to do first, do you guys remember the rule that I taught you? Which coins we start with? Do you know? If you said yes, start with the biggest coins first, you are correct. So I'm going to separate and pull out all of my quarters. Okay? So there are my quarters. So we're going to start there. And do you remember, I told you guys to group these in groups of 4 first. Okay, so we know that this is how much? These 4 quarters is how much? If you said $1, you are correct. So then we have 2 quarters. And we count by 25. So 25, 50. Okay? And let's find the next coin that we're going to take is what coin, everyone? If you said dimes, you were correct. So we're going to take out all the dimes and we count by tens with our dimes. Okay, and then our next coins are going to be nickels. And of course, our last coins we're going to count are pennies. So we are going to count this out together. Okay, so we have $1. And then we're going to count 25, 50. Now count by tens. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're going to group that. So that makes $2. $1, $2. Now, let's count by what? Tens. And then we're going to switch to count by what for your nickels? We're going to count by 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So how much money do we have here? We have $2.31. Okay, very good. Okay, for this amount, I want you guys to be counting with me. We're gonna, of course, start with our quarters. So I want you to count with me, and then I'm gonna have you count on your own. 25, 50, find the dime, 60, the nickels, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Okay, now your turn to count. Are you counting? I can't hear you. Nice and loud. Did you get the same answer as before? I hope you did. All right, we are going to do a quick quarter count review. I'm going to count with you, then you're going to count on your own. Now, you ready? 25, $50, $75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. Okay, now it's your turn. Make sure you're being nice and loud. All right, very good. Okay, this next amount, I'm going to organize it and I'm going to point, and you guys are going to be the one that's counting it, okay? So follow along and I will organize the coins. And you guys can start figuring out how much money is in this pile. Okay, so count out loud. I'm going to count in my head. You guys count out loud to where you are and see what answer you come up with. Okay? Okay, if you need to re-watch that, you can. This time we're going to count out loud to see if your answer matches my answer. We have 4 quarters, so that's $1, but we're still going to count. 25, 50, 75, $1. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $1.85, $1.95, $2.05. That's a little tricky. $2.10, $2.15, $2.20, $2.25, $2.26, $27, $28, $29, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34. So it was $2.34. You guys do okay? Good. Okay guys, thanks for watching the review on math coins. My challenge to you is ask your parents if they have some coins on them and count the coins, and still stay diligent about using your skills of coin counting and practice. Okay? Let's check in. I feel like our caterpillars have grown tremendously in the last, 24 hours. Look at how big they are. It's almost crazy. They are also named now, so let me tell you. So we have Hope, Ranky, Betsy, Dodge, and Aruga. Let's hope I said that right. These are your friendly little caterpillars that you will be able to see on here grow and eventually go through their life cycle and turn into butterflies. Anyways, you guys have a good night. Mwah! Love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.